Is this good enough to beat Dennis Anderson out for the world title? Boy, he's getting some big air.
Well, I'm glad I don't have to pick up a judge's card. This is going to be a tough jump here. Let's see what he's got. Oh, even greater air. That front end must have been 20 feet in the air.
Right on, man. Have to use the full clock.
Yeah, you definitely have to.
He just destroyed it. That's the thing. Some of these landings.
I'm thinking,
Come on, Tom.
look at the air.
Come on, Tom.
Oh,
Love it. You gotta love him.
that is sick.
Here comes another combo. Uh-oh. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Hold on. Oh.
Still.
Nice job. Guarantee he wants to get him some right here. Here we go. That's how you get over it.
Sick air right off the bat.
He's backing up to the wall. He's lining up for the triple. Here we go. He got it. That was absolutely picture perfect.
Adam Anderson. Oh, my. Tigler knows how to get the air. I guess let's get back to my original point. This is one of the best runs we've ever seen from a defending world champion. And even if he doesn't take the lead,
The front tires are not driving. You can see they're already tipped in. He's got problems with the axle housing, and that's going to be the end of it right there. Right front tire is broke off the axle housing. Yes, he does.
what a start. Remember.
Look at the hang time.
Oh, no, come on. I was about to say we might be looking at a repeat.
Let's see. Todd the move. Oh, my God, no way. Scott. It's still going. No, there's no way. He was up there forever.
Great runs here after that, but has not grabbed the second title. Oh, look at this! Wow, he flew that thing.
I've been analyzing this run.
All right, now Culver, no.
Holy cow! Whoa!
He got it before I could say it. Known for the air. He's won the Extreme Air Award.
She's been featured in Oprah Magazine, on Ellen, and huge air to start the freestyle.
There goes the tire right off the bat. I'm not sure if she was trying to